Example 25, solve the linear inequality. Give one example of a solution and one example of a non-solution. First, we have to get both of these in slope-intercept form. So I'm going to get the first inequality in slope-intercept form. So I have 3x minus 2y is greater than negative 10. So I subtract 3x on both sides. I have negative 2y is greater than negative 3x minus 10. I have to get y by itself, so I divide everything by negative 2. So if y is less than, since I divided by negative, I have to flip my inequality symbol. Y is less than negative 3 divided by negative 2 is 3/2 positive x. And then negative 10 divided by negative 2 is positive 5. We do the same thing with the second inequality, so I have 3x plus 4y is greater than or equal to negative 16. So I subtract 3x on both sides. So 4y is greater than or equal to negative 3x minus 16. I have to get y by itself, divide everything by 4. So if y is greater than or equal to negative 3/4 x minus 4. Alright, to now graph the inequality in green. My slope is 3/2 and my y-intercept is 5, so I have to start on the y-intercept, which is at 5 on the y-axis. And my slope tells me to go up 3 to the right 2. And to extend it even further, I have to go down 3 to the left 2. Alright, so now to figure out what type of line I draw, I look at the inequality symbol. It's just less than, so that means that the solution isn't on the line. So I need a dash line. Alright, do the same thing for the blue line. My slope is negative 3/4. My y-intercept is negative 4, so I start my graph at negative 4. And I go down 3 to the right 4. And then to extend my line, I have to go up 3 to the left 4. Okay, so now I figure out what type of line I draw. I have greater than or equal to as my inequality symbol, so since it has the or equal to, I know the solution will be on the line as well. So I need a solid line. Alright, and then the next part is the shading. So I'm plugging, going back to the green line, I'm plugging in the origin point 0, 0. So I have 0 is less than 3/2 times 0 plus 5. So 3/2 times 0 is just 0. So if 0 is less than 0 plus 5 is 5. And 0 is less than 5. So I have to shade everything that's to the right of the green line. That includes a 0, 0 point. So everything to the right Okay, and then I do the same thing with the blue line. I figure out how it relates to my origin. So I plug in 0 is greater than or equal to negative 3/4 times 0 minus 4. So I have negative 3/4 times 0 is 0. So I have 0 is greater than or equal to negative 4, and that is true. So I have to shade the 0, 0 area, which is above the blue line. Okay, so my solution to this system is everything in black. So for example, like 2, 1 is a solution. And then everything that is not in black, so everything that's in green, white, or pink is not a solution. So all of this is not a solution. So one example of a non-solution is like negative 12, negative 12, 2.